Adding the YouTube subscribe button to your video can be very tricky. I mean, when I first started YouTube, it was really hard for me to know how to do it. Like, I would see the people's video, it was looking beautiful and presentable. I'm talking about this button right here, okay? I was wondering, how do they do it? How does it get so fine and convincing, you know? When you're watching, imagine watching somebody's video and it pops up like this. And then they tell you subscribe, hit the bell icon and all of that. It's very fine. It makes your video look professional. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add these interactive subscribe buttons to your video as a new YouTuber. And this will make your posting very easy and fine and professional. Don't you want to be professional? So guys, my name is Jogwewe. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I create videos on tips and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel. So if this is the kind of video you want to watch, please feel free to subscribe, hit the notification bell close to the subscribe button, like this video, drop your questions and your contributions in the comment section. I'll be there to reply you. And lastly, please share to your friends and families. Okay? So if you've been wondering how people put this button on their video, worry no more, because in this video, I'll be showing you everything you need to know on how to get it done. Let's just dive right into my screen recording, starting right now. Now, to add the interactive subscribe button to our YouTube video, we're going to go to a website that has free copyright stock videos, okay? Because our YouTube subscribe button is actually a stock video. So we're going to go to that website to give us varieties of subscribe button that we use to make our video look good, okay? So we're going to go to open Chrome, just go to the search bar and type for pexels.com. Pexels.com, okay? Search for Pexels. Are you seeing it? It said the best free stock photos, royalty free images and videos shared by creators, okay? I'll just close this prompt. So you see this search bar, this is where we're going to use to search for the interactive YouTube subscribe button. So just write YouTube subscribe button, okay, and then search for it. Okay, so it has opened up. It said free YouTube subscribe button photos, but we don't need the photos, right? What we need is videos. So you see this part where it says videos 5.6K. okay, we're going to click on that part. Are you seeing it? So click on that part. So it has showed us the one that you can actually use. So let's say let's check this first one. Okay, so I has just the subscribe button. Okay, no, I don't really like this one. I want the one that has both the like and the subscribe button. So, but if you like that, you can actually download that one. I want something else for this tutorial. Okay, let's just look for the one that has like along with it. I think we already passed it though. Let me scroll back up. Okay, okay, yeah, this one right here. I think this one has, let's see. Okay, yes, so this one has like, subscribe and notification bell icon. So we're going to download this one, but before then, look at this part. It said free to use. That means it's copyright free. Okay, when you use this particular stock video, you're not going to have any form of copyright because this website is actually free to use. Okay, so it will be in your YouTube video without giving you stress. All right, then what you're going to do to download this particular stock video, just click on this part where it says free download. Okay, click on it. It said been to Japan. Oh no, I've not been to Japan. Don't worry, I'll come there very soon. Okay, so yeah, the video is downloaded already. Say thanks, show some love to Michael. Michael is the creator of this particular stock and video that we're using for the subscribe button. He said I give them a small donation. I don't really have what to donate, but if you want to donate, you can go ahead because they made this so easy. Then if you have Instagram, you can as well follow the Michael, but I don't really use Instagram, so I think I'll pass on that one. So for you to see the video, just come down here if you're using an iPhone like me, but if you're still using an Android, you see it underneath your downloads in your browser like this. Okay, click on this part, save to files. It's asking you to, if you want to save to files or to Google Drive, but I'd rather save to files because files is what I use for all of my editing. So I'll click on save. this right here has been saved. Okay, you can open in your files, to see. Okay, let's just rename it YouTube subscribe button. So I'll just save it. Okay, so now that we are done, just leave that part and look for it in my files. Okay, where is it? Okay, look at it right here, YouTube subscribe button. Let's see it. Can you hear the sound? This good sound came with it. Listen again. So now that we have successfully saved this, we'll just go back to CapCut where the magic happens. Okay, so let's open CapCut right now. So now that we are back to CapCut, we'll just choose a video. I'm going to use one video for my draft. Let me just use this video that doesn't have too much memory. Okay, let me trim this front so that to start from the very beginning. Okay, so this is the video.
Hi guys, so today's video I'm going to be very real with you.
Okay, so let's assume I'm going to put the subscribe button somewhere. Okay, I'm yet to edit this video, but I'll just use it to show you to for the tutorial sake. Okay, let me just adjust it to show you how to edit quickly, right? Let me just show you how to do it quickly. Let's say the brightness, I'll increase it to about 10. I like to use this contrast, saturation, and then the brilliance. This is what I just do for my video mostly. And then I add grain to it. Put it in 8 so that YouTube will not reduce the quality of the video. Okay, then so this is the video.
Hi guys, so today's video I'm going to be very real with you people. I'm going to show you.
So let's assume I'm done editing, right? And I want to put the subscribe button. What I'm going to do here is I'll go back to files. Okay, what we're going to do now is to actually export this into the CapCut app. Okay, that is this YouTube subscribe button. So click on it. Are you seeing this part down underneath where it says share? Look at it, just click on it. Okay, now click on remove background in CapCut. Okay, click on it, say remove retouch. Okay, so we're clicking on retouch, but we're not going to be retouching it. We just did this to export it successfully. Just click on this good. Okay, now that we are here, let me play the video so you see. Are you seeing it? It has this green screen, and we need to remove this green screen from the video so that we can actually be able to put it in our video. So let's just go back. All right, go back. Then you see all this words underneath, like this edit audio text overlay. Just scroll down, scroll sideways rather, and look for, click on this part. Sorry, because to get the remove, we're going to remove the background, and to get a part where we can remove background, you have to click on this green screen specifically. So that's why you see me clicking on this part. Okay, so click on it and then scroll sideways and look for remove BG. Are you seeing remove BG? That place means remove background. Click on remove background. We're not using auto remover, neither are we using custom remover, but we're using chroma key. Click on chroma key. Okay, are you seeing it? It has removed it. If I take it back, the green screen will show, but if I use the chroma key, just swipe it. That's all. Click on this good. Okay, let me play it. Are you seeing it? You're good to go. But one last thing, we need to remove this CapCut logo at the top right corner, left corner rather. So I've talked about this in my previous video where I was teaching how to remove watermark. I'll attach that video to this particular video so that you can actually watch it, because I see a lot of creators still posting with the CapCut watermark in their logo in their video. You can actually export it without using any third-party app, and I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so now that we have removed the green screen, let's just go back. All right, so just go back to the very beginning. Now what you're going to choose to remove this is the aspect ratio after the captions. Are you seeing aspect ratio? Click on it. Okay, instead of the original 16:9 that is YouTube video, we're going to go for another ratio, which is the 2:35:1, as you can see right here. Click on it. Okay, now the ratio is expanded. Okay, if you can see my screen right now, is expanded than it was before. Just tap on it again. Okay, tap on it again and push it sideways to remove it from where the watermark is, and then click on this good. Okay, if you notice, you have successfully exported this video or removed it from the CapCut watermark. Is in a different segment right now where you can easily trim it off. Okay, so go through that my video for you to understand how to do it for both horizontal and vertical videos. Okay, now go back again. So let me play the video. This is it. We have successfully edited this interactive subscribe button. So what we're going to do is to export and save. Okay, yeah, so when you're done saving, click on done. Just minimize your CapCut and go back to phone gallery. The video we just saved. Okay, what we're going to do is to click on these three dots in this part where you say crop. We're cropping the video to remove that watermark. Click on crop. So it's the same pattern for Android too. Just move it sideways and remove, trim it off, remove that CapCut logo. Okay, are you seeing it? Done. Click on done. Now we have the normal YouTube 16:9, but without our CapCut watermark. Look at it. So this is a perfect work. We're done here. Okay, now we have saved it. Okay, so what we'll do, go back inside CapCut, right? We're here now, so let me just go ahead and use this video that has small space. Okay, I'll just click on this video, then this is the video.
Hi guys, so today's video.
So what we're going to do is put in that subscribe button. Okay, when you click, you see this part is say edit audio text overlay. Click on that overlay, click on add overlay. So this dark one is the one we just edited. Okay, click on that particular one and add. You can as well delete the first one in case you don't want to make any mistakes. Okay, what you will do here is to resize it. Just use your two fingers to resize it. Okay, let's resize it. Okay, resize to make it small. All right, then let me play it.
So today's video, I'm gonna.
Are you saying it? So, but we still need to remove this black background. So, what do you do when there is black background like this? Click on overlay. Look for that remove BG that I just taught you about. Just taught you how to remove it. Look at it. Click on that remove BG and then click on chroma key, just like the way we saved it before. Okay, click on chroma key and then just swipe it. Click on done. Move it. Go back. So now let's play this video.
I'm gonna be very pretty before. I'm gonna show you a lot of things I do to optimize my video.
Are you seeing it?
Especially for search, for visibility.
It has saved successfully.
Everything.
So this is it.
And I'm gonna be.
So what we're going to do now is to export this video. So that I'll teach you how to trim out the watermark. Now we have exported the video, right? Click on done. So just go back to gallery. You'll see the video here.
This video, I'm gonna be very real.
This is the video.
To show you a little.
Are you seeing the subscribe button? It's showing now. You can make it bigger for yours, depending on how you like it. So we'll go over this process again. Click on these three dotted lines again. Okay, click on crop again and then trim it out, just like we did with the subscribe button. So now we have 16:9 without the CapCut watermark and then with our YouTube subscribe button. Is this not beautiful?
Now that you know how to put this button in your video, please go through my other videos because I have a lot of interesting and educating videos that can actually help you grow your YouTube channel. Like I said before, I post videos on tips and strategies to help you grow your channel from zero to the point of monetization. Okay, thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.